Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a microphone on Mac. So if you have both an iPhone and Mac, you can use your iPhone's microphone as a audio input for your Mac. Since iPhone microphones are designed to capture clear voice recordings, this can improve your audio quality during video calls, online meetings, recordings, and other voice related tasks. To use this feature, your iPhone and Mac should be signed in with same Apple ID, have Bluetooth enabled or Wi-Fi enabled, and supported Apple's continuity features. So if you'd like to use your iPhone as a microphone, here's what to do. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and placed near your Mac. Now in your Mac, open system setting by clicking on the Apple logo at the top. After that, switch to sound from the left side pane, and here make sure you are in input section. Now if the continuity feature is enabled in your iPhone and Mac, you can see your iPhone microphone here. All you just need to click on it, and once selected, speak to your iPhone and watch the input level meter on your Mac. If the meter responds, your Mac is receiving audio from your iPhone. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.